everyone, this is part 4.
Okay, sorry.
Michelle, why are you holding it? Hold it 3 part.
Okay,
Part 5 or part. Shh. Focus camera.
I put a bowl of food here and then like spread it in.
No, put it in the table. So we close it. You see? That's it. No more. Okay. Put it here.
Hide.
Yeah, we gotta hide. Okay. This the bird. Sorry.
Like way over here.
Does the bowl have bread?
Very famous at this. Very good at this.
Can't even see. Ah, the big bird. The big bird is so
Look,
scary.
guys, I found a fluffy bush. It's so fluffy.
Come here, come here. Hi, we'll stay here, watch the bowl. Is there a bird here? We're really closer. Everyone behind me so you can see the camera.
There's nothing coming.
Yeah, nothing coming for now.
Nothing.
Now we come on. The bread, I will make some. Throw it in the tree. So some bird will eat it. Just get no.
Guys, let me try to go up the tree.
No，嗰啲碎要擺返落去個煲度，大嗰嚿咧就咩 ？Try. You make all the like this. Shake it. Okay. You see, Michelle putting all the bread in the tree. Put it in their brown thing because the bird will fly in there. Get it, Michelle. Careful, Michelle. And we come back here. Don't move so bad. Okay, we mix it. Just make like that. And careful the bread. Give some bread for Michelle. Okay, get one. The bird. I saw it fly. Refina run. Doesn't matter. Keep doing it. Oh, there's a bird right there. Hold this. I can see. See the brown behind a bird. I will throw the. Is the bird still here? No. Tweet! He's flying. You see the birds? You need to whistle.
Yeah.
In the comments, tell us how to whistle. It's mine. Come in, the
Rocks power.
I put it outside and the bird will smell it. Don't do that. I'll mix some. What? Where? I'm a little flyer. Yuck. That's disgusting. Disgusting. What are you doing, Michelle?
I'm mixing.
It's that's small, so the bird's so easy to eat it. Do it to that.
Okay.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ping. Let's find some breadcrumbs. We should put more up there. I picked some from the floor.
No, put it on the floor so the bird will come.
They can't even find it over here. Legit can't.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Oh no, my bread fell. Thank you, Rafina. See my new sister.
So the bird is up there. So look in the tree there.
Tweak! Where?
You see? It's moving.
Oh my god, there's so much, like 2 or 3.
Here's some bread. Find the bread. Where's the bird?
Where is it? There it is. Guys, see? I'm sorry if you guys can't see it. I feel so bad. What's a 7-Eleven place? Right near 7-Eleven here. I'm right here climbing on the bank. Legit. You can't find it alone. Ain't gonna break today. That's how I got it. I step up there, I go on the table, and then I'm here. Rafina, go warm some bread up. I'll warm it here. I saw so many birds on the floor. No.
How are we mixing it? No, I'm mixing it.
Oh, no.
We don't need to. You just
That thing made me scared.
not eat it.
Just came back from the movie theater, so there's 2 little crazies. I call them crazies because that's not their nickname. Not, I said. Some ladies. See ladies.
I'm going outside.
Ladies. I don't know these ladies, but they look okay looking. They look okay looking. Okay looking. Sorry. Sorry.
The bird in my shirt inside.
A bird's in your shirt inside? Oh. Guys, look. These beads on the tree. Beads. Ah! You too. Rafina, stop it. It might get rocks in people's eye. Bird. She said, heaven, get out of this world. That's not a bird, you two.
There.
Oh. You see that bird?
The bird is coming. Come here. Right here. Come on.
Look at it. It's done. Let us go.
Come here. Maybe the bird will fly down. Come on. Oh, there's bird there. Next time I go there. Ah! Why are you running here? No. I'm so scared.
This is gonna break me down. Whoa, Michelle! What?
You're not falling.
Well, I will.
I'm gonna jump down. 10.
Rocks.
Everywhere. in the
Rocks,
wall.
rocks. Nothing but rocks, kids, potatoes, and rocks.
So cute. This Momo.
What Momo? Let me see.
I don't care what we're going to. Cold everybody. Let it go.
Ah.
Doesn't matter. You see that Momo? There. I can't hit the Momo.
One more.
Here I stand.
What Momo? Whoa!
What?
The table starts shaking.
You got the other tree.
Oh yeah, bird in the other tree.
I'm gonna freeze you.
Okay, start to stay still. Oh, look at this phone case. You too! Stop it!
I'm not hitting. I'm making the birds come like.
That don't make the birds come. It makes them scared away. We shall stop.
I'm frozen, girl. I'm
Throw it on the floor. Yes.
Keep showing the video.
You two are drunk.
Calm everybody. Show me.
Tell us what video you want. Whoa! Oh man, I almost fell. Okay, I'm getting off, okay? I don't like staying up here. What just happened? Guys, stop! I gotta see what was that.
That guy. I saw that.
Yeah, that guy.
Ew, our head have mad. Here. I'm Elsa, and I shall be very.
Bird! Aw, you guys. Oh, Bird was just there.
Another video on the show.
Yes. Is it 15 minutes? Oh, almost. This video's done. Bye.